Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, and today I want to explain to you my workflow where when I'm using Robinize, that's a tool to claim to optimize your SEO content with the power of AI. It's an surfer SEO alternative with a clean user interface which makes it really easy to start to work with content marketing SEO. So it's a perfect tool for writers, and all of the tiers are the same. You're only getting more reports per month depending on the tier that you buy. So usually if you're a solo users, tier 1 or tier 2 is good for you. I bought the tier 1. I'm really happy with it, and I'm going to show you how I work using Robinize. The first thing that you need before using Robinize that I would recommend you is any keyword research tool. For the sake of that review, I'm gonna show you DynaRank that just arrived on AppSumo. So I'm just logging in. Go to your keyword research feature in your preferred tool. So let's say I want to create an article about an author called Camille Paglia. I'm gonna write here, Camille Paglia, and see which keywords I can get from that research. So I can see Camille Paglia here, Camille Paglia quotes, Camille Paglia books, Camille Paglia influenced by, Camille Paglia articles, essay. Okay, we can write about who is Camille Paglia. Let's see if I have any relevant keywords about who is Camille Paglia. She's trending all the months, so people usually research about her. So who is Camille Paglia? So no data, let's work with only the keyword Camille Paglia because it's already a low ranked keyword. We can get a good results from it. So that's Rob Nice. Now we're gonna log in as well. And look how the user interface is clean. You just need to select the country, the language, and then you're gonna add the phrase you want to rank for. In my case, I want only Camille Paglia as my keywords. I'm gonna generate report and they will start to fetch the results. I'm gonna show you a clean article like that and I'm also gonna show you the last one that I was working on, and I get a content grade of 10, like a perfect grade using Robinize. So here is the clean interface. They just finished the research, and now I get the words I need to use to start my project. So the goal here is to write. They will have a Google Docs integrations, which would be pretty cool. They will give me the word count for this kind of article, so I should write at least more than 3,000 words, and I should use those keywords here to get my result. So Media World, Washington Post, Yale University Press, bestseller. So I'm gonna explain about who is Camille Paglia, and to try to rank first, I need to accomplish that goal. And here you're gonna find the inspirations. So sub keywords that you can use as a tool. Those are the sub keywords that they recommend. And usually you can also find what people ask for. Here you can see the outlines of the SERP with H1. They are using only H1. Here's a good H2 possibility to use, by the way. And you can find also the SERP here. And on SERP, you're gonna get the grades. So you need at least a 10/10 to try to rank first on Google for that keyword. Okay? The editor is pretty simple. You can use links. You can't copy and paste image here, but you can use links. You can bold. You can create an italic underline, and you can also share the link to share the article that have been writing here with your colleagues. And also you can add the title and the description here They will also help you to create like the whole structure of your SEO article. And the goal here, when you finish to write everything, you're gonna copy the text and then paste on WordPress or your preferred editor. I'm gonna show you an article that I just wrote in another language, but you will be able to understand the structure. When you just made a point, like when you find a related terms, they will be highlighted in green, so you know that you are using words that are prominent to rank on Google. And the goal here will be to get a 10-10. But see here that I need to improve my word count yet to get at least nine, almost 1K on word count for that article here. So I still need to create a better article to write a little bit more with what I'm going to do tomorrow. Here I just added the description, the title as well. I found some people also ask here for that keyword. You can see that you can copy the text here and paste here, but then you need to rewrite, because it's not an AI that is creating that content. It's like they are pushing that content from the original article. As you can see, it's pretty easy to start to work with Robinize, and you can start with it and improve your article with it. And you need to go more in depth. Then you can use, for instance, phrase or the Surfer SEO that has more features. But this one, for you to start to work with blog posts that will be fully optimized to Google, is really good. Of course, it's still basic, but they are starting now, and I hope they will improve with time, adding more features to be more precise. But it's really easy to start to work and write using Robinize. Also, I'm going to show you the roadmap. They will add folder, a plagiarism checker, Google Docs integrations, they are planned, and then under consideration, adding new language, AI assisted writer, and also a WordPress integration. Overall, it's still a new tool, but you can get the tool for $69. It's rare to find this kind of content writing tool on AppSumo. Another one that we have is Neuron Writer, which is also pretty cool. And I'm going to create another review about Neuron Writer as well. That tool here, Robinize, it shines when you think that it's pretty easy to start and has almost no learning curve. It's about starting to write and make the magic happen. The other thing that I want to show you is that you can extract the article from your link. So if you already wrote about that and you want to improve on your blog post that's already online, you just need to copy your blog post here, and they will extract the article and add it here. Okay, so that is Robinize, my second review about it. Now understand a little bit more how the tool works. I want to warn you that the language that they have available now is English, Swedish, German, Norwegian, French, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. I do recommend that tool. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye.